Please don't leave me. I want you to believe me when I say that you are worthy to see the sun every day. You've been given a heart worth forgiving and for living. You don't need to prove yourself to me or anyone else. Believe me, you're worthy of breathing. You're worthy of living, so worthy of loving. Believe me, you're worthy of